Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is Friday, March the 14th, and the chart of the day for today is Euro USD 60 minutes time frame. We can see right here we ended with 2 in the minute degree at 103.60. We finished with 3 over here, and now looking to do a wave 4 pullback. All right. And generally we bias is higher, we like it higher against 103.60 here. And if I zoom out to the daily time frame, you can see if I copy this with 2 and with 3, it will be over here, right? That will be our wave 2 and wave 3 in the daily time frame. So we can complete the count a little bit and call it wave 1 here. Now if you look at this structure here, it is very clear what happens, right? It is very clear what happens during this rally. From the low in January 2025, we have a nest. Nest is a 1-2-1-2 basically, right? So this is a wave 1 of a higher degree, and this is your wave 2, and basically we are now within wave 3 in the minor degree, which is still ongoing, right? Which is still, I mean, the alternate here is I can squeeze 3 and 4 here, and calling, 3 completed here. Does it change anything? It does not. It's basically only changing the pullback, the name of the wave, the degree, and yeah, you can potentially see a bigger pullback if it is in a wave 4 in the minor degree. But if you look at the daily time frame, it does kind of look better to be like this, to be honest, right? I mean, look at the size of the 2 in black. I don't see anything similar to this, so it looks to me that this is a better count here, which is still basically still more bullish than if it is doing a wave 3. So what happens if this is wave 3? Typically wave 4 is somewhere between 23.6 38.2. so if you do the retracement, you can see this is a possible area where your wave 4 could be ending, right, between 108.08 and 1.0808 and 1.0720. Now if I go to the 1 hour, currently you can argue we have a 3 pullback already here, 1 2 3, right, 1 2 3 and bounce. But at this point, like I said, it is still not yet quite at the 23.6, which is typically what you want to see as a minimum as a wave 4. Now it's not like a rule it must, but typically probability wise, wave 4 is going to see 23.6 to 38.2 most of the time, right, majority of the time. So that means we can still see a little bit bigger pullback, right, to basically touch this area here. So this is one such possible pullback, looking for a 5 ways down, and then a rally, and then another leg down to finish an ABC before we rally higher. Now if this is really going to play out, and that means we should be looking to find support later on at the 100% extension area here, and that level should at least touch this 23.6 38.2% retracement area, and there should be an overlap there, and that should indicate that the pullback is deep enough to qualify as a wave 4, and then it can rally higher. So the bottom line is we do like the upside against 103.60. Bias is higher. In terms of possible structure, for example, this is what we are calling, but let's say if we rally from here and go down, then you can label this as a ABC, maybe ending W here, because it's only 3 waves, and this is your X, and it really doesn't change too much. It's basically change the structure only, but it's still gonna be same thing, 3 swings down, and should find support again here, as long as it overlaps with this 23.6 38.2. that pullback will be deemed to be deep enough to be a wave 4. All right, so that's the update here, guys, from the Euro USD. As always, if you want to get more updates or learn more about Elliott Wave, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time and have a nice weekend, everyone.